2012 Kona Blue with white accent, Boss 302, 8,000 miles, second owner. Very clean car. Has the air brake intakes as per the Laguna Seca, and additional air cut for airflow. Laguna Seca mags. You see it's got these struts for lifting the hood. It's in as good a shape as it would appear. Of course, you can see the Recaro seats, rear window fairings that are see-through, and back window fairing. Of course, that's see-through, needless to say. It's all in all a very clean car I've had since 2019. Hate to sell it, but sometimes life makes these things happen. Take a look at the inside and start the engine. Here we're looking at the back seat of the interior of the Boss 302. No seat delete, but at Recaro seat, everything's in excellent shape. Seats are spotless with no show of wear. Likewise, floor mats, dashboard. As you can see, it's got the Laguna Seca upgrade on the dash. 3 gauges, significant installation. Again, passenger seats very, very clean. It's got the Boss 302 insignia. And every other feature that every Boss has, except for this, features a lot of Laguna Seca upgrades. The car is warm. I'm going to do a quick start up here, clutch in, of course. I just wanted to hear it start, and I'll show you the engine. Of course, it's got that favorite Boss 302 sound, which we get to hear and enjoy so much. Runs like a charm. Quiet, straightforward, unless you punch it, then it's got some noise to it. Very, very clean in all aspects. One strange minor element, who knows why and how, I don't. It looks like someone's dog took a bite out of that right there. I don't get it.